One of the most important things when it comes to resolving the tax debts of self-employed people is understanding how to make a profit and loss statement. We need a profit and loss statement for two reasons. Number one, we need to know what your net business income is, what you're living off of, because that's going to dictate what kind of terms you can settle with the IRS for. And the other reason is because we need to get you current going forward. The single most important thing toward tax debt resolution is to get you back on the beam with current taxes, and we need a profit and loss statement to do that. Now, a lot of small business people don't know how to make a profit and loss statement. So I made a very simple form that's going to be available to you with this link that's shown on the video. Very simply, friends, it's got 3 lines on it, all right? Line number 1 is your gross business income. This is income you earn through your business. It's not loans, it's not gifts, it's not credit card money. It's income earned from your business. That's line 1. Line 2 is all of your expenses. Now, I recommend you list your expenses by category. So if you've got advertising expenses and travel and meals and supplies and office tools and equipment, list those out by category. It's important not to include any personal expenses on your expense list. We're not talking about medical bills or charitable contributions or your home rent. None of these things go on the expense statement. Business expenses only. What are the expenses you incur that are necessary to earn income? That's what you list on this expense statement. Line number 3 is the difference. Income minus expenses is your profit or loss for that period of time. And that's the information we need to figure out how much you can pay the IRS and what your estimated payments have to be going forward.